Question about the frequency of needing to use the shampoo. I haven't purchased ever in researching, but I've been the type of person who doesn't like the shampoo often. My hair hates it for styling. I have curly hair and my hair turns frizzy. This is excuse me, this has been that way forever. What is the minimum effective amount of times per week? I don't mind stimulating daily, but the shampoo itself concerns how my hair will look. Okay. So what I would say is, even if you shampoo every 3 days, and honestly, I think you could use this to your benefit, because if you shampoo every 2 days, every 3 days, you're going to be applying the topical solution on those days that you don't shower. And that topical solution will just keep building on itself. So you're going to get double it if you triple the effect of the topical solution if you don't shower. So you will have to be the judge, and you're going to have to experiment and see what works for you. But the secret is, on days that you don't shower or brush, or on the days that you don't shampoo, make sure you're still applying the topical solution. And it really won't matter how often you shampoo. The shampoo is very important. And unfortunately, we're out of the shampoo. I'll have an announcement for that soon. But when you do shower and brush, what you're going to see is, if you use that topical solution and you're applying it 2 or 3 days in a row without shampooing, the retinol, the retin A, is going to cause cell turnover. So you really want to exfoliate the scalp really aggressively when you do shower and shampoo. So yeah, I would say you should shampoo every, at the least, like, as far as spreading out, I'd say two times a week. So hopefully that makes sense.